Starting with the glorious and compassionate name of Allah, He is the omnipresent and the omnipotent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are safe and sound. Let us start with our today's lecture. Please open up page 103 of your book. We are going to do the remaining book exercises of unit number 10, Technology in Everyday Life. Clear? So let us start with our today's lecture. See exercise 3, topic revision, exercise 3, unit 10, page 103. Use the correct degree of adjective in the following sentences. Clear? Dear students, in the previous lecture I told you that for comparison we are going to use the comparative degree. Clear? And the superlative degree we are going to use in a sense, in a context when the object about which we are talking or discussing, that is, if it is the super one, the perfect one. Clear? Best among all. Clear? So for that context, in that context we are going to use superlative degree. Clear? Let us start. The first one is, this is the. I told you we are going to use definite article the or the before the superlative degree in a sentence. And I told you this as well, that with comparative degree we are going to use then. Clear? So please be attentive. This is the tallest tree in the garden. Tall. So it's comparative, it's superlative degree. Clear? This is its superlative degree. This is the tallest tree in the garden. So superlative degree of tall is used over here. Then part 2, she is dash woman, wise. She is a wise woman. Clear? Its positive degree is used. Then part 3, he is the dash of all brothers. I told you when we are talking about something in all, so we are going to use superlative degree, and you can get idea easily from the term, the definite article the as well. Clear? He is the youngest of all brothers, so we have used superlative degree of young over here. Clear? Then part 4, prevention is dash than cure. Then for comparison I told you we are going to use then with comparative degree of adjective. Clear? So prevention is better than cure. Then your composition is the dash of all, bad, worse, worst. So your composition is the worst of all. Superlative degree of bad is used over here. Clear? Now please come towards exercise 4 mentioned on page 103. See the question. Complete the following sentences using proper order of adjectives. Dear students, I gave you before a kind of formula in which proper format, proper order of adjective was mentioned. So please see that one formula. I gave you a key. I told you to make it learn by heart. It will benefit you right now. So all the students liked the dash teacher. Handsome knew English. English knew handsome. Knew handsome English. So the correct option is the third one. Knew handsome English. Then he recently married a dash woman. He recently married a dash woman. Young, beautiful Punjabi. Beautiful young Punjabi. Beautiful Punjabi young. So the correct option over here is the first one. Young, beautiful Punjabi. He recently married a young, beautiful Punjabi woman. Clear? Then, part 3. This is a dash movie. New Pakistani wonderful. Wonderful Pakistani new. Wonderful new Pakistani. So, the correct option is the third one. This is a wonderful new Pakistani movie. Clear? Hope it is clear to all of you. Now come towards the fourth one part. He is a dash player. Brave, smart Pakistani. Pakistani, brave, smart. Smart, brave Pakistani. So the correct option is the third one. He is a smart, brave Pakistani player. Clear? Then part 5. It is in the dash container. Large blue metal. Blue large metal. Blue metal large. So the correct option is the first one. It is in the large blue metal container. Clear? It is in the large blue metal container. Clear? So this is the end of our today's lecture. Your today's homework is to find out proper order of adjectives. You have to find out proper order of adjectives from unit number 10. Clear? There are adjectives used in it, so you have to find out they are used in proper order. Clear? So you need to identify that. For example, adjective of size, adjective of origin, adjective of color. Clear? You can take help from the key that I gave you. So this is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.